Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I'm sharing a video every single day this month. Today I am participating in the Save the Crafty Youtuber Hop. So when you're done watching my video, just click the link down below in the description bar to hop along to the next video. And don't forget to leave a comment below this video and others in the video hop. There are lots of random prizes to be won, and the more videos that you leave comments on in the hop, the more chance you have of winning. So also make sure to leave in your comment if you are US or international, and that is it. So today I'm creating a really easy card. My card base is folded, and one folded measures 6 inches by 4 inches. I am using a little blender tool thing to apply some of this Catherine Pooler ink to this card, and I'm just kind of moving the color around a little bit. I don't mind that there's little dots of color. I think it makes kind of an interesting background. And then I'm going to go in with a darker color of purple called Royal Treatment, and I'm going to use this stamp set also from Catherine Pooler, and I'm going to use the little witch's shoes to stamp all over the front of the card base to make my own pattern. Catherine Pooler Stamps is the major sponsor of this video hop, so I'm more than thrilled to be trying out her products. The stamps are really great quality, and it was fun to try out her inks. I didn't have any, and yeah, it was cool to get some new colors and try a new style of ink. So again, I'm just stamping all these little shoes on here, kind of in a random pattern to fill up the background. And I'm not too upset that there's a little bit of a gap there in the bottom left corner, because that's actually where I'm going to put my sentiment, so it's not a big deal. But on the inside, I wanted to stamp out "Smell My Feet," as well as a couple more of those little shoes. I think it's really cute inside. And then the sentiment on the outside of my card is going to be "Trick or Treat." So it'll be "Trick or Treat, smell my feet." I think it's really cute. So I got some purple just scrapbook paper here, and I used the gray twilight color to stamp the sentiment first, and then I'm going to create a shadowed effect using the midnight color, and I love how that turned out. I used these little Sizzlix framelits to die cut a couple pieces of vellum and then to cut out my sentiment, and then I'm going to start layering. So in that bottom left corner is where my sentiment will go, and I had started to just apply the adhesive on the back of the sentiment, and then I was just gonna put it flat on the front of the card, but I was like, you know what, let's add some dimension. So I'm using some Tombow foam tape squares, and I'm just gonna peel the backs off of those. It's super simple to use, and then I'm going to apply that on top of the first smaller piece of vellum, just to give a little bit of dimension and fun. Now I am going to use the Tombow Extreme. That's my favorite adhesive. It can glue on anything. It's ridiculously cool. So I'm using it to glue on the vellum, making sure to keep all of the adhesive behind where the sentiment is so that you can't see it through the vellum. And then just going to apply it to the front of the card, trim up the excess, and this card is almost done, but I have to add some of my favorite jemmies. So I will leave links to all the tools and supplies I used in this video down below for you guys, as well as the Catherine Pooler products that I used today. Also make sure to check out all of the sponsors of this video hop that are listed at the end of this video, as well as Justine's channel and all of her socials down below in the description. She's the one who organized this hop, and I know how hard it is to organize something like this, so thank you, Justine. You guys, that is it for my card today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!